2022 Ducati Panigale V4's Ducati's Panigale V4 platform has pushed the superbike segment forward with cutting-edge technology since its debut in 2018. Mark Bologna, Italy, has also not been complacent during that time, revising its flagship sport bike with minor adjustments over the years. The Ducati Panigale V4 and V4S 2022 received the most comprehensive update yet, with revisions to the engine, chassis, electronics, aero and ergo. The Desmosedici Stradale's MotoGP-derived engine from the Panigale retains a capacity of 1,103 cc's in 2022, but a new torque management system and custom mapping boost the V4 to 210 horsepower at 12,500 RPMs and 90.6 pounds-ft of torque at 11,000 RPMs. Ducati's new SPK gearbox helps channel the power to the rear wheels thanks to extended first, second, and sixth gears. As a result, the Panigale V4 is said to produce slower cornering speeds, harder corner exit acceleration and higher top speeds. Updated V4 electronics put the Panigale's power parameters at users' fingertips with the new power mode. In full power mode, the rider can access the full potential of the motorcycle, without the electronic filters that dull the engine's torque curve, except in first gear. High and medium modes get an enhanced throttle-by-wire map management system, which optimizes thrust at open throttle. Low mode limits the Desmosedici Stradale to 150 horsepower while a more manageable throttle response maximizes comfort and pleasure on the road. In addition to the Panigale power modes, the four riding modes, Race A, Race B, Sport, Street, also change the superbike's personality. The reworked dashboard communicates all of those settings with new external lights and functions. At the suggestion of the Ducati MotoGP riders, engineers developed a new track Evo Info mode. By sliding the tachometer bar to the top of the screen, the gear indicator in the middle, and rider assistance along the right, the new layout provides ideal screen legibility for racers and track riders. The Ducati MotoGP team is known for its aerodynamic package, and the 2022 Panigale V4 lives up to that reputation. The new dual-profile winglet is thinner, more compact, and more efficient, but still delivers 81 pounds of downforce at 186 miles per hour. Of course, V4 engines are known to generate heat, and the additional air extraction gills on the lower fairing improve cooling. Rider comfort is also increased due to a flatter seat. The grippy seat covers also help lock the rider in place during hard braking, while the reshaped fuel tank offers a better anchor point for the user's feet. While the Panigale V4 and V4S share much of the same equipment, the up-spec S models feature an electronically controlled Hill suspension, with NPX 25/30 forks, TTX 36 rear shocks, and steering dampers. And it rolls over premium forged aluminum alloy wheels wrapped in Pirelli Diablo Super Corsa SP tires. The standard V4, on the other hand, opts for fully adjustable show big piston forks, Sachs rear shocks, Sachs steering dampers and cast aluminum wheels. While the two chassis may sport different suspensions and wheels, they both feature a premium Brembo braking system. Every superbike now benefits from a higher swing arm axle, which improves the Panigale's anti-squat characteristics under acceleration. Ducati has also updated the superbike cosmetics, with both variants featuring the brand's signature red fairing and the new black Ducati logo. However, the V4S also gets two-tone seats and red wheel bands, available in February. The 2022 Ducati Panigale V4 retails for $23,295, while the 2022 Ducati Panigale V4S retails for $29,995.